How to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. This tutorial shows you how to submit a report through the Help Center to appeal the violation. First, open the TikTok application on your Android device. Next, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Following that, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Now, tap on Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Moving forward, scroll down to the Support and About section. Afterwards, tap on Help Center to access TikTok's support resources. In addition to that, you'll be taken to the TikTok Help Center page in your browser. Once there, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Community Guidelines Violation or Appeal Violation. Subsequently, select the relevant article about appealing violations from the search results. Moreover, scroll down within the article until you find the option to submit a report or contact us. Afterwards, tap on Submit a Report to open the appeal form. Then, fill out the required information, including your username, email address, and details about the violation. Within the description field, explain clearly why you believe the violation was a mistake and provide any relevant context. Alternatively, you can also attach screenshots or evidence that supports your appeal. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, review your submission carefully. Then tap on Submit to send your appeal to TikTok's review team for consideration. And that's it. If this community guidelines appeal tutorial helped you, leave a like, subscribe for more TikTok support guides, and hit the bell icon to stay notified. See you in the next one.